Hi, I'm Taylor, a college counselor here to answer your questions and help you on your financial aid journey. Wondering what it means when you provide consent and approval on the 2024-25 free application for federal student aid, or FAFSA form? For you to be eligible for federal student aid, you and your contributors must provide consent and approval on the 2024-25 FAFSA form. When you provide consent and approval, you agree to 5 things. First, you agree to share your personally identifiable information provided on the FAFSA form with the IRS. Second, you agree to have your federal tax information transferred directly into the FAFSA form via direct data exchange with the IRS. Third, you agree to allow the U.S. Department of Education, or the department, to use your federal tax information to determine your eligibility for federal student aid. Fourth, you agree to allow the department to share your federal tax information with schools listed on your FAFSA form and state higher education agencies for their use in awarding and administering financial aid. And finally, you agree to allow the department to reuse your federal tax information on other FAFSA forms that you are invited to and choose to participate on. It's important to note that when your contributors provide their consent and approval, it does not mean they are responsible for paying for your education. If you're a dependent student and your parent refuses to provide consent and approval on your 2024-25 FAFSA form, you will not be eligible to receive federal student aid. If you have more questions about the FAFSA process, visit studentaid.gov.